primary colors. Let's paint! Hi, kids! Today we're doing a painting of an eel. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Have you ever heard of an eel? These fascinating creatures live in oceans, rivers, and lakes all over the world. Let's dive in and learn more about these slippery, wriggly animals. What is an eel? Eels are fish, but they don't look like most fish you've seen. Instead of a wide, flat body, eels have long, snake-like bodies. They can be anywhere from a few inches to over 13 feet long. Eels come in many colors, like green, brown, yellow, and even blue. Where do eels live? Eels can live in both saltwater, like the ocean, and freshwater, like rivers and lakes. Some eels even travel between the two. Why are eels important? Eels are super important to their ecosystems. They help keep the balance by eating smaller animals, and in turn become food for larger animals like sharks and birds. Eels also help clean up the ocean floor by eating dead fish and other bits of food. Cool eel facts. Did you know that one type of eel, the electric eel, can produce electricity? They use it to hunt and protect themselves from predators. Eels often hide in small caves or crevices during the day and come out at night to hunt. They're like underwater ninjas. Next time you think of an eel, remember how amazing God is. These underwater superstars help keep our oceans and rivers healthy. Who knew a creature that looks like a swimming snake could be so cool?